Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you my morning skincare routine. I try to stick to it every day. It's hard because sometimes I work at like 5 in the morning and I just want to roll out of bed and go to work, but this is what I normally do. So I first start off by cleansing my face. I like to use this Soap & Glory Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash. Looks like this. I got it from Ulta. I heard good things about it and I've only used this much so far, but I'm really liking it. I mean, it dries out my face, and when I have acne it makes me feel like refreshed and I don't feel like gross. I don't know how to explain it, but sometimes when I have acne I feel like, I don't know, gross even after I wash my face, but this really dries it out and makes it like minimizes everything. I don't do this every day, but when I want to like exfoliate my face, I use this Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant with grapefruit and glucosamine extract. It's like this. I got it in my FabFitFun box and it's really nice actually. I mean, it smells like a spa. It smells so good, and like you can hear me, like there's a lot of like thick exfoliants in it, which I really like when I need that like deep exfoliation, and I do that about maybe like twice a week, 3 times a week. It all depends on like how I feel. And then after I cleanse, I go in with some toner. I've been using this Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. I'm almost out of it, so I definitely really like this because I've used so much of it so far. And I just put it on a cotton pad like this. Oops. Get my cotton pads from like Walmart. And I just put it all over my face like this. And it just gets out all the dirt from your pores that you didn't get with the cleanser. Then I usually let that dry. It only takes a second because it's like, I don't know, is there alcohol in this? Doesn't say, but it dries like alcohol does, which I hope there's no alcohol in it because I feel like that's really bad for your skin. But anyways, next I go in with my Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, and this is the mini right now. I'm trying to use it up before I open my new full one. But I really like this. I've repurchased this a couple times. And I just put it all on my face. It's nice and refreshing too. It makes me feel nice and refreshed. It dries pretty quick too, so I don't have to wait too long before I do my next step. Oh, my hair's always in the way. Next, I go in with my Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. It looks like this. It's like an orange gel cream. Makes sense. And just put that all over my face and rub it in. And I get down my neck too, just a little bit. I feel like it, I don't know, I just feel like I have to. And I always do my lips too because I hate putting on products and like having my lips dry, even though I do use a lip balm. I'm just coming in a second. Don't know why. Next, I go in with my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. It's like a banana color, like it says, self-explanatory. I just grab a little bit and I put it under my eyes. And I also do the top of my eye and like my brow bone area. Especially right here, I get darkness a lot, so I try to always get my product in the maximum amount of spot. That made no sense, but you know what I meant. Other eye. I just rub it in. rubbed in. Okay. I like to bring it down too, because like, oops. Bringing it down to like my cheeks and just like making sure it blends in with everything. Maybe up here a little bit too. Next I go in with my Agave Bite Lip Balm. It's like my favorite lip balm. I just got it in my Sephora haul, but I really, really like it. It really lasts for a long time and it keeps your lips hydrated for a very long time. And it's like a thicker consistency too, which I think it'll be great in the winter time. "25 layers of lip balm later." Yeah, that's pretty much all for like my face that I try to do every day. Like special occasion things that I usually do, if I want to feel a little extra, I'll grab this Tatcha Violet Sea Radiance Mask. It's really nice for the morning. It really just gives you a nice glow after you use it. It's like purple too. It looks pretty cool. This is a more expensive mask, but I really like how it feels on the face. It's Brightening Beauty Berry and Dual Vitamin C, and it's for all skin types. And it says leave on for 15 minutes, but it's one of those masks where it doesn't feel hard, so like you can still talk and it's not uncomfortable. So I just leave it on sometimes while I do things around the house or in my room. Also, sometimes I like to throw on these eye patches. They're like to depuff your under eyes and stuff, and I got all of these on Amazon for like $10. And I really like them. They're like they really stick to the face, because sometimes I used to have these kinds that would like just fall off your face if you're sitting up straight. But these are really nice. They're thin and they like hug right where you want it to hug. So these are really nice. I don't know what brand it is, but you can just type it in and there's all different quantities, and I have 30 pairs and I got them for $10. So there's that. Also, another thing that I do every day, even if I do work, I make sure I take these. My vitamins that I take every day. You might know Tati Westbrook. I mean, if you don't, you must be living under a rock, but she came out with Halo Beauty, and she came out with these 2 vitamin supplements. The one is the Hair, Skin, and Nails Booster, and it promotes thick and luxurious hair growth, minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, promotes strong and healthy nails, and has anti-gray fighting enzymes for your hair. And I take 2 of these every morning, or like midday. If I get out of work, I take them in the midday. But I'm almost done with this, and my skin has really cleared up since I started using it. I mean, I have probably like 5 days left maybe? I don't know. But yeah, this is really good. I already have like 2 backups. And then she also came out with her more recent release, the Kiwi Seed Booster, and it's for clear, glowing skin. It minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, and supports clear and radiant complexion. And you just take 1 of these a day, and I've been using this, and I really have noticed a difference. My skin looks pretty radiant without me even having like anything on my face before I even do any of my skincare. So I really like this as well. And these together, like, they're made to go together, so like they don't give you too much vitamins. So she like made them so that they can be used together, which I really like. And there's so many different kinds of vitamins in it. It's so much easier to just take this than rather to take every single vitamin by itself, which I used to do. So definitely recommend these. I love these so much. And yeah. So that was all for today. I just wanted to show you my morning skincare. I'll probably do a nighttime skincare routine as well, which involves some of the same products except like my serums and masks I choose to use. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.